Hey guys, how are you? All right, this one's out of Nashville. For those of you north of the Mason-Dixon, that's Nashville, Tennessee. Apparently, a school resource officer left whatever high school he was working at and stumbled upon a two-car collision and got out to assist.
Whoa, is anybody in here? Anybody in here? I got him.
Okay.
Hey, just leave that stuff in there, man. Just go ahead and go. Go ahead and go, man. Stop! 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 Just stay down. Stay down. Sit down.
Jinkies. So, 2 times, 3 times, get out of there. Don't touch anything. Just go. Just go. So, some must have got his spidey senses tingling, right?
Go ahead and go. Go ahead and go, man.
So I want to see where the weapon was located.
Go ahead and go, man.
Could you tell if he was? Oh, it looks like it was on the dash. I mean, damn.
Stop! Just stay down. Sit down. Sit down.
All right, first question I'm asking myself right now is where's the gun? Did he drop it? Did you see him drop it? Where's the gun? Are you maintaining cover? What do we do now? I guess would be the overarching question. What do we do now? Maintain cover on him, get the radio call out, shots fired, any backup units. But right now, where is the gun? Don't know.
Stay down. Put your hands up, buddy. Put your hands up for me. It's okay. I got shots fired. This is 35 Sam 32. I got shots fired. Run me some backup. What?
All right. Second question I got, because we didn't hear it before the audio kicked in. Did he call out with this wreck? Did he let dispatch know he was getting out with something at all? I don't know.
Where are we right now?
Nope, he didn't.
This is Dickerson and where? This is Dickerson and where?
Where's your bad guy?
Just put your hands up for me, buddy. Dickerson.
I mean, at least EMS is already there.
Where's the gun at? Just leave it right there, buddy. It's okay, buddy.
Buddy.
What cross street is that? Yeah, I got you, buddy. It said, Old Dobson.
All right, so now his world's crashing in on him, right? That adrenaline's starting to move, and he's not sure whether to transmit or what to transmit, and he's losing focus on the guy that he just put around in.
And Old Dickerson, run me some 37, please. Okay, where you hit? Where you hit?
In my leg.
Okay.
In my leg.
Okay. All right. Where's the gun, buddy?
Over there somewhere, I don't know, sir.
Why'd you reach for it, kid?
No, I was trying to get it out the car, sir.
I know, man.
So, look, I think in this instance, and this is just my opinion, that was not an unreasonable action to take, because he had, holy shit, dude just grabbed a gun. I mean, there's been a wreck. Dude just grabbed a gun. Why is he grabbing a gun? Did he wreck when he was leaving a homicide? Was he going to kill somebody? You know, is it illegal to have a gun in your car? No, unless you're a prohibited possessor, right? Has he been, is he a felon? Is he out on parole? Is there something that would restrict him from obtaining and keeping a firearm? Is that why he? I mean, all these questions are rolling through my head. Like, why was he in such a hurry to get to that gun? It's. I mean, part of me can see, oh shit, I left my gun on the dashboard, but I mean that was just wild. The other thing I think that's important to note, and this is, I'm gonna FTO here for a second. Anytime you get out on some shit, anytime, mark out with it, call out with it, let dispatch know where you are. Greenville, Delta 32, I'm gonna be out with a 1050 at Milford Church and fucking Highway 101, whatever. But let somebody know where you are. This dude just got out with this wreck. He was trying to help. Gets out with this wreck. Winds up having to shoot a guy. And nobody knows where the hell he is. Nobody. Except for the EMTs and fire that are there with him. Always call out with where you are. It's just that simple. Anyway, you guys give me your thoughts on this. This is kind of bizarre. Again, I don't see where this is unjustified. I think from a reasonable officer standpoint, like, holy shit, dude, you're grabbing a gun. Are you going to shoot me? Are you going to shoot EMS? Are you going to go shoot the lady that just, you got into a car wreck with? Don't know. So looking through it through that lens, I don't think it's unreasonable. But, you've got to drill down, and this will all come out after, but you got to drill down into what was in the subject's mind as he was doing that. It was wild. Oh, and one more thing. Even if you're an SRO, and I don't say this to diminish the role of resource officers, I worked with them closely when I was working gangs, and they're a valuable asset because your SROs, especially if they've been in a school for a minute, like the same school, they're going to know everybody, especially in that beat area. They're going to know the kids. They're going to know the kids' parents. They're probably going to know the grandparents. They're going to know where they live. They're a valuable asset, so don't dismiss the resource officers. Use them because they are an asset. That said, even if you are an SRO, you've got to maintain. Man, dude went from 0 to 60 in half a heartbeat and got that round off, and he got one in the guy's leg. So you have to maintain the same level of training because you're still a cop. It doesn't matter if you're the chief of police, and it doesn't matter if you're, FTO day one, you're still a cop. And you're still going to be obligated to get out and do cop shit. Period. So, if you're rolling around half-ass, well, I'm in plain clothes and I'm driving an unmarked and, I can ignore my training standards and I can lower the expectations for myself. The community and your agency and your beat partners are still relying on you. So don't forget that. And now I'm off my FTO soapbox. You guys drop a comment. Let me know what you think, because this one's kind of interesting for me. You guys be good. Be good at it. We'll see you next time. Be safe.